Now often what we want to do is just to collect a waypoint. So we've arrived at a location that we're interested in getting to, and we want to record what that location's at. So we just scroll up to the mark waypoint, select that one there, and the handheld GPS is automatically going to give it a number, and these numbers will be assigned just in numerical order. So this one at the moment is called waypoint 001. You can change that if you like by simply scrolling up to that and changing the name. So I just use my joystick to scroll up to 001. I'll select that by pressing the button there, and I can change it to an alphanumeric code that makes sense to me. Once I've done that, I scroll all the way back down to done, click on done, and I come back to that main screen there. So that gives me the location of where I am at the moment, and then when I'm happy with that, I simply scroll down to done and click on that to go back to the main screen and continue. Now another thing that you might be interested in doing is using coordinates that you already have and uploading those to the GPS so that you can navigate to them later. So we go through the same procedure as we do when we're marking a waypoint. So we click into that mark waypoint, and this time what we do is to actually change the value of the location. So instead of it allowing the GPS to decide where we are, we'll click into that and change the coordinates. So I just scroll across this time. I'm going to leave it in zone 55K. I'm going to use the arrows to get me across to the actual coordinate. Now the coordinate that I want to go to is 0359671, for example. So I'll get across to the number 6, click that in there, automatically jumps to the next number, but that's okay. So I'm happy with those numbers otherwise. If I needed to change a northing, I could do that also by scrolling through those values there. I'm going to click done. So that's the new location, and that's going to be waypoint 1. And I'd usually just note that down on a piece of paper, or otherwise I can change the name of the waypoint as well. So when I've done that, scroll down to done and select that, and I'm back to the main screen.